somebody was just seeking like physical relationship with you. They were not there for emotions. You were wanting a commitment with them. You wanted a be all end all with them. So you really hoped for a long-term connection with stability and etc. You were also doing the work for it, but I see that somebody never opened their heart to you, and they were just trying to be a fuck boy, a fuck girl, or whatever. I see somebody kind of played with your emotions. They never showed you their true side, and that actually got revealed, and things have come down. So I see a lot of disappointment has happened, and something very shocking came out. Okay, so you never expected that this person would behave like that, or maybe you kind of got to know something about this person, like there was something that was going on behind your back, and that actually got revealed to you, and that caused a lot of turbulence. For some of you it could be that. For others of you, I just see that the relationship came down. You were hoping for a commitment, and they were just hoping to be there for fun. All right, so they were looking for fun times, and you were looking for commitment, and then the connection has ended very drastically because you guys had very different expectations of the relationship, and now you kind of feel very disappointed that they have let you down. What else? Fool card. See, so you guys, Four of Cups at the bottom. So I see that you guys are being asked to not try to go back and fix this situation with this person, because this has come down not because of your fault, but because of this person not being serious enough. This person was very immature. That's what the Fool card is. They were not looking for any long-term connection with you, or they just were there for benefits. Some of you, maybe they took money from you, I don't know, but this person was just being very, very immature. Some of you, this person was younger than you. They never understood their responsibility in the connection. You are being asked to not focus on this person and whatever they did. Rather try to go on your own path. Do not try to go back and fix the situation. All right, the problem is, I'm a tarot reader. I do personal consultations every day, and the problem is that most of the times we try to fix a situation. We are like, my partner cheated on me, what can I do to improve the relationship? When your partner cheated on you, clearly you cannot do anything to improve the situation. It is his job or her job to fix the situation, not yours, because you did not break it. All right, so that is your message here with the Fool card, that do not try to go back. Try to focus on your own journey and try to go forward from here. Do not try to keep going back to the same person and same situation when it has already crumbled down. No point of going back to a narcissist. For some of you, I also see that you might be starting something new in your career, which is going to give you stability. All right, so it could be a new job or a new, business venture or whatever. It's going to give a lot of stability in the long run. Yeah, see, the same message. Some of you, I also see that you were manifesting this new beginning in your life for some time, because this tower situation has happened in your life maybe 15 weeks back or 15 months back. I don't know, 15 could be a significant number. And with the Emperor and the King of Pentacles, it has been some time that you were trying to manifest this new beginning, because you also feel that your life has come at a standstill. And with the corona situation and the lockdown in the world, people already feel that their life has become very, very stuck. So some of you, because of this, the feeling is amplified in your case, where you really feel that this person has been giving you difficult time, and then you are also having your own goals. So you somehow want a new beginning in your life, like very desperately you are trying to manifest something new, a new cycle, a new job, maybe travel. So you're very desperately looking for a change. You want to start something new in your life because you feel that you have been stuck for some time. And I would say that you might be receiving some sort of help from somebody. So somebody might actually come forward and help you to basically move out of this situation. Oops. Oh God, a card fell down. Hold on a second. It's Ace of Swords, by the way. With the Ace of Swords, again, it's a card of new beginnings, right? You are desperately seeking a change, Sagittarius, these days. It came in the upright, by the way. Yeah, you're desperately seeking a change. You really want a new beginning. Some of you want a new beginning in your financial situation, your career situation. For others of you, you're looking for a be-all end-all marriage kind of thing, because Queen of Pentacle again is about marriage, and Ace of Swords is also marriage. Alright, so you are looking for someone you can settle with. So out with the old and in with the new. Some of you, it's not like universe is forcing you to go for new. It's like now you, by yourself, you want something new. You are like, I'm done with the past person. I don't want to go back to them. I want to do something new in my life, and I want to go forward. Some of you are also looking for a closure. So it's like, I can see that for most part, definitely you're trying to turn your back to this situation and move on. But with the Ace of Swords, I also feel that there are some closure issues in your relationship. Maybe the person, they ghosted you, they never gave you clarity. You also seek for clarity from them, or you want to have that last word. So some of you are looking for communication from your past. Six of Swords. Yeah, the good thing is that you are moving to calm waters. Like, I see that your life has been very topsy-turvy in past few months. Things have really gone for a toss. We also have the Page of Swords. I'm going to talk about it in a bit. But yeah, I see that your life has been very topsy-turvy. It has been going through circles and things have been difficult. But with the Six of Swords and the Ace of Swords, I see a new beginning, and I see that your life is going to go in calm waters, alright? So things are going to improve for you. And emotionally, whatever is draining you will not bother you as much, alright? And there is a very big theme of travel here with the Fool, the 3 of Wands, and the 6 of Swords. Some of you, I feel that if you are stuck in a country or a state or whatever because of the COVID situation and you're looking for a move, that's gonna happen. So maybe 3 to 6 months maximum, I see a move coming in. Alright, for some of you it's going to be very quick, maybe within this month, alright? So for different people it's going to be different situations. But yeah, like emotionally as well, if not physically, then I see emotionally you growing from point A to point B. So whatever is bothering you now will not be bothering you in coming 6 weeks or 6 months maximum. Things are becoming very, very good for you. And by the way, we were about to speak about the Page of Swords. I see a past person of yours spies on you. Achha, give me some energy about this past person. 7 of Cups. Yeah, they watch you on internet. Some of you, this person had multiple multiple people going on. Some of you were basically dating a hoe, and yesterday I was listening to this one reel on Instagram, and in the music it said, you can't make a man out of a hoe. So do not try to make a man out of a hoe, alright? I see that there was somebody who just created a lot of mess in your life. They had multiple people with the 7 of Cups, like they wanted you and they wanted 6 other bitches. This person still has their eye on you, they keep tabs on you, but honey, things have already been disclosed to you by the universe with the Tower card. Don't try to go back to trash, alright? Trash is meant to be dumped. Trash is not meant to be dated. Cool? Yeah, but I definitely see that somebody is having a hard time when they think about you. And they watch you online if you have an online profile. 4 of Wands, yeah. This person, were they married? I think somebody was married as well. Or I don't know, maybe you were planning for marriage with them, but then you got to know that they have many other people going on. I don't know. Somebody here, either they were married or you were looking to marry them, but then they played you. For others of you, the energy is that you have a very stable connection coming in your future when once you leave this trash and move on, alright? Don't try to go back to the same person. Like, don't try to go back to the circus and then complain that I saw a clown. Cool? Ace of Cups. This past person of yours, they keep tabs on you. See the 7 of Swords. They keep looking back at you. They will try to come back and talk. They might try to manipulate you, so be very careful. Alright? I see somebody is missing you and they want things to go back to where you were having it in the past. Whatever you had in the past, they want things to go back to that. However, your message is to keep going forward. Don't try to go back, because this person is not worth for some of you. And if this person has really changed, only then you will give them a chance, alright? But yeah, a communication definitely. I see somebody is looking for a new beginning with you. And some sort of recognition in your workspace. I don't know, but I see that. Queen of Swords. And the Strength card. You might also be tempted to go back and talk to this person or take this person back with the Strength card. You might feel that this person has changed and let me talk to them and let me give them a chance. You are being asked to do the background research and do not try to fall for it, alright? Yeah, just do not try to take this person back without doing the background research, whether they've changed really or they're just pretending. Because I keep on seeing that you have a very fulfilling relationship coming in for you, but you might just screw it. Or maybe you should wait for this person to completely change and then go back. Like, do not try to go back to them when they haven't changed their ways or when they are still the manipulator. Don't try to go back, alright? I see that you have been manifesting some sort of relationship, a very fulfilling relationship, and universe is just about to grant you that, and you might just go back to this past person. Chariot. Honey, keep moving forward. Try to control your emotions. Do not try to fall for emotions, alright? Do not try to go with your emotional impulses, basically. Try to be practical in your life. I see that you keep on looking back at this person because there's a lot of emotions that you invested. But if this person hasn't changed, then don't go back. But for others of you, I see, especially if you're dealing with a water sign, maybe they want a second chance with you. And they think that you might give to them because they feel that you are their wish fulfillment. This person keep looking at your picture, they keep looking at internet for you. I don't know, what is up with this person? They're crazy about you. Somebody is about to message you or call you. Right now they are contemplating because they know whatever they've done to you, it's very deep. So they keep on thinking whether you will accept or not, but they surely want to read, especially this water sign. Who the fuck is this water sign? Water or earth? Very strongly. Some of you in air as well. The air sign spies on you. Water sign also looks at your pictures. I don't know. Four of Cups. See? This person thought that they would move on from you, but they could not. That is why they keep looking back at you. Alright, what's the future energy of Sagittarius in love? 6 of Wands. I'm telling you, we have a very fulfilling relationship coming towards you. And I also see someone from your past wanting to come back after leaving you out in the cold. Like, this person left you out in the cold and now they have the audacity to come back. For others of you, I definitely see a new beginning, like a very solid one. You see what you want to do. You want to go back to this past person or you want to go with this new person? I don't know. Choose. Maybe there are two people that are coming towards you. Choose. Yeah, Two of Swords. You will have to make a choice. There are two people and you have a choice to make. Which way you want to go. Alright. So let's take your romance angel to close the reading. Hold on a second. Alright, let's take this as well. I'm tempted to take this one for you. The angel answers. Let's see if you should go back to your past person or not. Should Sagittarius go back to their past person? Should Sagittarius go back to their past person? Look for a sign. Some of you are asked to look for a sign. Maybe today you just ask universe that if I should go back to my past person, give me a sign. And it can be anything. It could be repeating numbers. It could be somebody telling their name, you seeing their name. Look for sign, alright? Because I cannot give one answer for everybody because some people might, it would be good for them to go back to a past person. For others of you, it will be good to go in the future. So your message is basically to ask the universe for a clear sign. Success. But regardless, I definitely see success. And a yes. So for the yes and success, I see that whichever way you go, finally, after receiving this sign, it's going to be very successful. I definitely see a lot of big happy changes coming in for you in your love life. Sagittarius. A lot of confusion is happening for you. I see that you're really confused what to do, which way to go. That's what the Two of Swords energy is. But yeah, your message is to today ask universe for a clear sign and then wait to receive. But do not worry, whichever sign universe gives you and whichever way you go, it's going to be a success. All right. All right, give me message for Sagittarius, please. Honeymoon and trust. So yeah, I definitely see good happy times coming in for you. You will be spending some time with your person, a trip together or something, and the situation is basically asking you to trust, because I see that you have gone through so much. You might not trust that universe will bless you with love. It's like you are manifesting love, but you don't see it coming because you are like, when will universe make it happen, and will this happen or not? It's just asking you to trust it's going to happen at the right time, and the time is near. All right, so just kind of look for an answer. It's going to happen. All right, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.